Okay, so what we're going to do here is set up our smarter warehouse module. We have a fresh copy of Magento here, and we also just installed the module itself. And so what we're going to do now is go ahead and configure it and get it ready for the live site. So the first thing you want to do after you've installed it is head over to System and then Configuration. And once here, you want to look to your left and navigate down to where it says Sales and Shipping Methods. So once you're here, you're going to see that there's going to be a new method that's added called Warehouse Shipping. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go through all of your methods that you have active and go ahead and disable them. So next to Enabled, you want to make sure that No is selected. And you'll see why in a second why we want to do that. So once you've made sure that's all done, go ahead and get to Warehouse Shipping. You want to enable it. You can give it a title. And for calculating fee and handling fee, you can go ahead and leave that the way it is fixed and go ahead and put 0 for handling fee. The warehouse module is actually going to take the different shipping method configurations that you already have set up for the other configurations, and it's going to use those. And so here you want to select the shipping methods that you use. You do this by holding down Control on Windows or Command on the Mac, and we use Federal Express and UPS. And then you go ahead and press Save Configuration, and voila, it's saved. That's all you have to do with the configuration. At this point, we need to go and set up our warehouses. Okay, now that everything's configured, we want to go ahead and set up a warehouse. We're going to set up 2 warehouses for this demonstration, and so to do that, you head on over to Catalog and Manage Warehouses. As you can see, whenever you install this module, it automatically creates a warehouse for you. This warehouse is created by default to be, it's going to have all of the shipping information that your shipping origin has in your configuration. So we're going to set up a couple of more warehouses. So add new warehouse, I'll give it a name, test warehouse. A code can be really anything you want it to be. We'll just do 123. Put in some dummy information here and enable. And that's it. That's all you have to do. I'll go ahead and stop this portion. I'll make another warehouse, and then we'll go and show you how to assign a product to a warehouse. Okay, so we have our warehouse module configured. We also have a couple of warehouses created. Now we are going to assign products to a warehouse. So to do this, you want to go to Catalog, then Manage Products, and we have a couple of test products set up here. You can click on your product, and we'll click on Test Product 1. And as you can see in the product information column on your left, you'll notice that there's an extra option at the bottom called Warehouse. If you click on that, you can assign it the product to a warehouse from here. And so we'll go ahead and assign it to Test Warehouse. Hit Save. And that's it. Let's go ahead and do our Test Product 2 as well. Click on Warehouse, select Warehouse, and test Warehouse 2. Save. And voila. So all of our products are assigned to a warehouse. Now we'll go ahead and show you what happens after someone purchases things from your store and show you how to set up shipping with 2 separate warehouses. Okay, so we just created a test order in the front end of Magento, and now that we're back in the back end, we're going to go ahead and show you how to create shipments with that order, and also how to create labels. So if we go to our sales and then orders, we have a couple of test orders here. We'll just go ahead and take this one. If we go to the bottom, you can see that under items ordered, we have a nice split display of products within warehouses. As you can see, a separate quote has been made for each one because each warehouse is in a different physical location, which is great. That's what we want. And so at this point, if you want to create a shipment, it's very easy to do so. You just go to the top right and click ship and go down, and you're going to see that each warehouse is going to be set up where you can select it via a radio button. And so all the products are going to be listed under each warehouse. Select the one that you want to set up a shipment for. You can also click create shipping label here to get the shipping label created. And by the way, the shipping label is going to have the address of the warehouse, the return address of the warehouse, not from the original location that you put in Magento when you first set up. So you can click select submit shipment. We'll just put in our information here. We'll add products. Press OK. And now we have a shipment that's been created. We can go to shipments here. Click this shipment. You can see everything's been set up. And we can create print a shipping label if we need to. And so if we go back to our order, go to information and we go to ship, you'll now see that there's only one product left because everything's already been shipped in test warehouse. So I hope this video has been helpful to everyone. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at contact@informationarchitect.com. Hope you have a good one.